Hey, what's up? Hello, you guys. It's your girl, Bre'yana Jasmine, and we're back and we're better. Period. Hey guys, it's your girl Bre'yana Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is gonna be this soft pink glam look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Comment more videos you want to see me do, and if you're new to the Jas-ters family, welcome. So let's get to the video. Hey you guys, so first I'm just starting off with my eyebrows. I prefer doing my eyebrows when I get them waxed, because otherwise if my eyebrows aren't done, then I just don't want to do them. Comment down below if that's you. But yeah. So next I'm just combing them out, getting ready for the next step. So as you guys can see, I'm using my Airspun setting powder for my eyebrows. I've been seeing a lot of people use that technique, so I wanted to try it, and I feel like it works very well given the shaded illusion effect. Okay, you guys, so next I'm just taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I've been seeing people use foundation at the top. It gives a more natural look, so I feel like that works. So I feel like you guys should try that as well. It really does a good job with not showing how light the concealer is, so it basically contrasts it. So if y'all been on this channel long enough, y'all know I like to use sponges to clean up my eyebrows. I feel like using brushes don't really work for me because I'm not really getting the precise cleanup that I want to. So I feel like using blenders, beauty blenders, are better for me. Okay, she's thinking what color does she want to use. She's going with the light pink. I'm using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and just packing that light pink shade. You guys saw me deciding if I wanted to use or not. So I'm just taking that, packing it in, and building up my color. Okay, so after that, I'm going to be taking that darker pink, tapping it twice, not too much, because I want it to go under the light pink. Next, you guys, I'm going to be taking Devoted and just putting it in my crease area. I'm just packing it, not too much, but enough just to go with the flow. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking a little bit of that purple you guys saw me point at, not too much because this is not a smoky eye. This is still a soft glam pink look. Next I'm going back in with Devoted, not too much, again, not too much. Okay guys, so next I'm going to be cutting my crease just to make a base for the light shadow that I'm going to use. I'm going back in with that light pink just to get rid of any harsh lines from the concealer. Okay, so next you guys are going to be seeing me go back in with the other two shades that I used previously just to smoke out the concealer. Guys, I decided to do the other eye off camera. So I'm going to be creating a wing to prepare for the glitter. Hey you guys, so next I'm going to be taking that light pink glitter and putting it where I created that wing at. Next, you guys, I'm going to be taking my Lash Extension Mascara. I really love this because it makes your lashes look longer before you apply lashes. It's a baddie. Period. You guys, I'm going to be taking my same foundation, and I'm just going to be not smearing it, but I'm just going to be putting it on until I'm ready to use my beauty blender. Okay, you guys, so next I'm taking my beauty blender, just tapping it, not smearing it. I'm just blending it towards my neck, and that's what you want. So I'm going to be taking my cream concealer, finding something lighter for my foundation, and just getting it ready so I can set it with setting powder. So I'm getting my cheekbones and stuff ready for contour. So love that. I'm using my blender brush just to tap in the concealer so I can set it. So I'm taking this oval shaped brush just so I can tap in that setting powder, not too much. Okay, you guys, so while that's setting in, I'm just contouring my nose. A lot of people do that, so I figured I would incorporate it into my makeup routine because I don't normally contour at all. So yeah. I'm taking that same brush and just getting rid of the setting powder, blending it as much as I could. You don't want any left over at all. I'm taking some highlight and white eyeshadow on my inner quarters just to make the look pop even more. Taking some more highlight to highlight my cheeks. Not a lot of highlight because a little goes a long way. Next, you guys, I'm going to be lining my lips and putting some lip gloss or lipstick on. Because honey now, period. Okay, you guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Comment more videos you want to see me do. And yeah, I'll be posting 2 videos a week, so expect videos twice a week from me. Comment more videos you want to see me do. Don't forget to hashtag Jas-ters family. I'll put it right here. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Let's get to 400 subscribers, please and thank you. And yeah, bye.